Hello, kids! Welcome to KnowledgeNest. Today, we'll learn about sea animals. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are smart and love to play. This is a whale, plural, the biggest animal in the sea. This is an octopus. It has 8 arms. This is a starfish. It has 5 arms and lives on rocks. This is a crab. It walks sideways with its claws. This is a turtle. It swims with its flippers. This is a seahorse. It looks like a tiny horse. This is a jellyfish. It floats softly in the ocean.
Great job, kids! You learned many sea animals today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.